everyone, Chef Yoda the dog here, and it's time for the Monday meal. Today's Monday meal is kind of a side dish, but it goes with the one from last week with the cracked chicken. So if you didn't see that video, definitely watch it. My mom will link it to this video. But we put that cracked chicken over these mashed potatoes. Now, these are from the Pioneer Woman, and they are awesome. I mean, probably some of the best mashed potatoes we've ever eaten, and they're done in the Instapot, so they're a lot quicker than normal. So anyway, just check this out, and my mom's going to put a link to the original recipe in the description box below. If you like our video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to our channel. We would really appreciate it. Chef Yoda the dog out.
Okay, we're making the Pioneer Woman's Instapot mashed potatoes. So we're using at least 2 pounds is what I have left of these Yukon Gold potatoes. She calls for 5 pounds, so we're doing half this recipe, but I'll put a link to the original in the recipe box below. So you're going to peel and quarter these potatoes. Say hi, Yoda. And then you're gonna put them in the Instapot on manual pressure, and you're gonna do it for 10 minutes. So 10 minutes and then a quick release. Also in here is, I'm doing half the recipe, remember, so 3/4 of a cup of water and half a teaspoon of sea salt. So that's already down in there. And then we're gonna put the potatoes on top of that, cover it, pressure cook for 10 minutes, and then quick. All right, so we did 10 minutes of pressure cooking our little potatoes that were peeled and cut into quarters, and then we quick released it. So as soon as it was done, we quick released. Now we have mashed our potatoes. I just use a regular potato masher. And let me tell you what else it says to put in there. So well, again, this is half the recipe. I'll put a link to the original below. But so a stick of Kerrygold butter is what I used. And then it says 12 ounces of cream cheese. So I'm doing 6. That's close enough there. I'm using the Philadelphia plant-based chive and onion. And then it says, so that's in there, you can see. And then we've got the blend. I'm using the blend. She said to use seasoned salt and then salt and pepper, but I'm using the blend because that's salt, pepper, and garlic. You know how much we love the blend. And then finally, whipping cream. Now she said half a cup of half and half and half a cup of heavy cream. I'm just using a 3/4 of it, no, half of it. Daggum, what did she say? Anyway, it was like 1.5 cups total. So half of it is 3/4 of a cup. So I'm using, no, this is half a cup. I don't know what I'm talking about. It's half a cup of whipping cream or heavy cream. And that is what you mix together to make your mashed potatoes. And they should be good to go. And so we're gonna use them. We're gonna use our cracked chicken, which see the recipe for that, on top of these suckers. So thank you, Pioneer Woman, for an actual Instapot mashed potato recipe that works for the first time and I didn't have to cook it longer. Happy Monday, bye.